Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, and do your own personal practice on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload my training video. Okay, these are the assets we will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. So guys, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend maker trading indicator, and of course right from this support zone, this started an uptrend. You can see the yellow flag, and it went up till it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out above it, so it started a downtrend, gave us a downtrend signal, and of course a selling signal around there, and of course it kept on selling and broke out from the last support zone to create another support zone, which is going to be around there. So this is still selling at the moment, even though after getting to this it had a pullback. Okay, it's most likely for it to get back to this support zone to try it out again, and if it's unable to break out from there, it will go back on full uptrend, but for now it is still selling. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay, so this is boom 500. Okay, of course right from the support zone it started an uptrend. You can see the yellow flag, which signifies an uptrend, and it kept on buying, got to this region, had a pullback, went back there again to break out, to get to a new resistance zone. It was unable to break out above it, so it started a downtrend. That is why we got this red flag and a red arrow signal, which signifies a sell signal, and of course it has been selling since then. So this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. It has been on uptrend for a very long time, and of course it started from this support zone. It kept on buying and buying and buying, break out from this resistance zone, and it is still buying at the moment, because if it's unable to break out above this particular resistance zone, then that is when it will now go back on full downtrend, but for now it is still buying. Next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500. It actually went on uptrend right from this support zone. After trying it out several times, it went on uptrend to end it at this resistance zone, and right now it is selling at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the last asset is going to be V75. This is volatility 75. It has been on downtrend for a very long time, but got to this support zone and played around there for a while. It has not been able to break out from there. So right now we just got an uptrend signal, and of course a buy signal from here, so it is buying at the moment. Okay, so it's most likely for us to have more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All we just need to do is just for us to make sure we understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever we are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos, do your own personal practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God